Okay, so we have our bling wrap here, and we have a vase that we're going to be using, and I cut the bling wrap into strips, 2 strips each, and then we're just gonna use some hot glue and glue it onto our vase, which you can use any adhesive that you would like to use for your DIY. And hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, thank you so much for stopping by and seeing the DIY that we were doing today. And you know what? You can go ahead and press that subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share. Alright, we're gluing the strips all the way down. And I'm just turning it over here and gluing the strips again on the other side. You can measure where you're putting your strips. I'm just eyeballing it. That's what I like to do. I just put them on one on each side, eyes it, and then I add the glue. And now we're placing some single strips going all the way down. In between each of the double strips, I'm placing single strips. And here's our pattern going all the way around. So now we are going to use these crushed glass I got from Micheals with some Mod Podge. And then we're just going to place it onto our vase. And now we're going to add our crushed glass, and this is a nice color, you guys. And we're just going to pat it down a bit, and you will get some that fall off, but that's okay, because once it's let it dry a little bit, and then you can go back over it with some more Mod Podge and add more of the crystals, because some will fall off. So remember, if a lot falls off and you don't like how it looks, let it dry, semi-dry, add some more Mod Podge, and then add some more crystals, and then let that dry again also. That looks nice. And now it's dry. As you can see, they're dry. So I'm just gonna go back over with some more of the Mod Podge to help seal in the crushed glass so we won't have any foliage or anything like that. We're gonna seal it in. And you have to make sure that, and I'm going to add some of this glitter to it also. And you have to make sure that it's dry. You guys, make sure that it's dry before you do this step. Otherwise, when you're putting it over it, they're going to come off with the brush. So just make sure it's well dried, and then you go over it again and seal in the crushed glass. And then I'm just adding the glitter because I want a little bit more shine. You know me, I like a little bit more bling. So that is why I'm adding the glitter at this step. And after I coat everything, I'm gonna let it sit overnight to dry. Yeah. Let it sit overnight. You get the best results when you do that, and let the glue dry completely. And here is our finished look. I love it. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. I love the green crushed glass. Isn't it nice? It's like a turquoise color like. It's absolutely beautiful. They have them at Micheals. Yep. I went in there a week and a half ago, and I went to the section that they have them in, and they still have the crushed glass. Yeah. And it's absolutely beautiful. Looks nice with the flower bling wrap. It makes a lovely and elegant decor for your home for the Christmas season or right through the year. It's absolutely beautiful. And here's how it looks with some lovely flowers in it. Lovely Christmas flowers. I got these. Some were from Micheals, some was from the Dollar Tree. And I've had these flowers here from last year. Yes. So I just took them out and put them into this vase for this Christmas season. And I think it looks absolutely beautiful in there. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of our glam vase. Glam easy vase that we did today. It wasn't hard at all, very nice and simple and easy. But yet it looks elegant for your home. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload another video to share with you all. And thank you so much for coming on and seeing our glam DIY for today. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.